How to tag everyone in Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to tag everyone on Facebook. Whether you are managing a group, organizing an event, or just want everybody to see your post, this is a trick you need. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Now first, let's talk about tagging everyone in a Facebook group. Facebook has built-in feature for this, but it only works on groups. And here is how you can use it. Go to the Facebook group and start creating a post. Now in the text area, type and everyone. Now this is super useful for making announcement or sharing important updates. Keep in mind though you can only use this feature once per day in most groups. Now, what if you are not in a group and want to tag multiple people in a regular post? Now, here is what you can do. You can simply start creating your post. And once you are in the post section, in the text area, tap symbol followed by your friend's name. Simply scroll down and select their profile from the drop down that appears. And repeat this for all the friends you want to tag. It's a bit more manual, but it works perfectly for tagging specific people. Now, if you are in the comment thread and want everyone attention, here is how you can tag multiple people. So simply go to the comment section and write symbol comment bar and type each name individually. Unfortunately, Facebook doesn't have direct tag everyone option in comments, but these methods get the job done if you are determined. And there you have it. That's how you tag everyone on Facebook. I hope this video make things clear for you, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.